Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome to my channel Globetrotter. Today I will show you the usefulness of Google Map. So you see this is a Google Map first page. If you see this is my current locations where I live in. So if you see this arrow mark, if you press this one, this will change the orientations, and this is the compass. You see red and white color arrow mark is there, that is the compass. If you press this button once again, it will orient to the north. The red, it is in upper side, means it is that side is in north direction. Now if you open this, so there are some menus I will show you. These are some menus: your place, your timeline, your contribution, message, location sharing, offline map, your data maps, setting, etc, etc. Now I will explain you each and everything. So if you go to your places, so this the list will come where you have saved all the locations. So if you see I have saved the home locations. If I press this one, it will go directly to the home locations. Now again, if I go back, if I press work, so it will show my work destination, and from there you can navigate. Now I will go back and I will show you your timeline menu. So this is the timeline. So if your navigations is on or location traceability is on, then Google will show you in a day where you have roamed around. See, today is 8th August. So from home to I have driven 24 kilometers to my office and I came back. So this data you will get, and if you change the time to 7th, the 7th it will show from home I went to Chennai. So these are the modes. You can see 928 kilometers I fly through aeroplane and 28 kilometers with car. So where I gone, this is the Mitra Engineering Works. So this is the company address. This is one of my supplier. I went there, and from Mitra to Chennai airport. So again it will show how you came here, and from Chennai to again my home. Again you go back to your timeline. From here you can select date on, this is 7th, this is 6th. So you can see here from office to home, it's like that. And if you go to your menu contribution, so on contribution, so this is my login and my channel name Globetrotter. So I am at local guide level 7. So if you select that one, so this is my level and my earned points, 6,744 points. These are the badge I have earned. So if you see here, so total 162 reviews I have done. Rating of places 17 numbers of places I have done. I have uploaded photos of 689 numbers on the Google Map. I have answered 1045 questions. Facts checked 131. Question answer 26. These are the level. If you see how many are the levels, so you can actually see what are the level. These are the level. If you earn 250 points, you are in level 4. 500 points, level 5. 1500 point, level 6. 5000 point, level 7. And my next target is 15,000 point, level 8. So I'll go back to map, and if you see, this is the expert photographer. I have uploaded 689 photos. My target is 1000. I have reached 55 places. My target is 100. Impact of photos is 2,63,000. The target is 10 lakh. So if you go this review tab, so you will find what you have done. I have given 162 reviews, and on that review 16,000 people has reacted and they have viewed, and 14 people they have liked. So if this is the photo I have uploaded on map. So total 718 photos I have uploaded, and based on that I have earned 2,63,000 view. Now location sharing, as most of the peoples they have already using it. You can share live location. It's like WhatsApp. And then offline map, if you want to say, if you want to go somewhere where the net connectivity you are not sure whether it is going to be proper or not, then you can actually download the entire map and you can use that one. So offline you can use that one when the net will not be available. You can use that. So if you press download, then total map will be downloaded. These are the modes. Map type by default, if you go this tab, satellite, terrain, if you go to default, the map will look like this. If you change the layer to terrain, the map will be a little bit like this. You can see the difference. Now I prefer always to have on satellite mode, so it will be very clear for my understanding as far as my opinion is concerned. Then if you go to again tab, then you can see the public transport, so it will be highlighted here. If you want to see the traffic, so just make this one on. Now I will show you one place. So the green signal means the green line is indicating the road is free. If you go there, so this orange color means it's a little bit clumsy, and red indicates it is a complete jam. So based on that you can plan your path. Now I will show you, this is in explore mode. If you go to commute, so you can commute actually whatever the data you have saved or location you have saved, you can commute day by day use. And I'll go to by default mode, explore mode, and in the first page, for you, if you go this, they will, based on your activities, they will tell you what is your preference. Now I will show you in explore mode. From the bottom you just scroll it up. Now you see one alarm is coming. Now there is a rain of continuous 15 days in Pune. If you see this, so these are the area where there is a high alert in flood. So I'll exclude that one. Now if you want to search a restaurant near you, you just press restaurant and they will show you the available restaurant near you, and they will show you with the number of ratings. If you see the Farmer's Kitchen Hotel, it's 4.1 star and 525 people they have rated that place, so you can choose that one. So based on this number is the maximum number is 5, so 4.1 is quite a good numbers. So based on that you can select. Now I'll show you, if you want to have a petrol pump, so it will show you where to go, and just directly you can click that one and you can navigate. You can go there. And if you want to go to shopping center, you select shopping center, Premier Plaza Mall. So if you do the, you can go there by this, making this one mode on. So the map is showing two different options. The blue highlighted is a route 1. If you go by car, it will take 16 minutes. If you go by bicycles or scooter or two-wheeler, it will take 17 minutes. By public transport it will take 1 hour. Now it will show the bus number, routes, everything. By walk it will take around 1 hour 28 minutes. Now this is one route. Now I'll go back to car mode, and you can select the alternative route also. There are 3 options it is showing. So based on the jam and based on the conditions you can go. So the first option is 16 minute, second option is also 16 minutes, and third option is also 17 minutes. So you can choose based on the traffic. Now whatever the event it is going on around your locations, the Google Map will intimate you. So this is one event, Saturday to Sunday Supercut Festival, then live screening, and then tomorrow program also it is showing. So there are so many interesting features you can actually get from the Google Map. The most powerful is navigation. See, if you want to go to Pune railway station or some specific stations or specific locations you want to go, so it will show, but go to directory. Now it will show you different mode: car, two-wheeler, then public transport, all the data. If you see the by bus, if you want to go by bus, it will show by walk, how many what path you have to go. See, this dotted line indicates that you have to go to this next destination by walk, and from there you can get actually bus. There are bus available 339, and you can see the schedule departure. This all the data are captured from the real-time data analysis. And if you select this option, so it will show you the distance you have to cover if you want to walk. So alternative route option also it is available, so you can select all the route based on the mode you want to prefer. This is the account. So whenever you want to use Google Map, you have to have a Google account, and you need to log in. Without login, nothing is possible. Thank you guys.